how to delete your Roblox account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Mistad, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Roblox account. Now, Roblox doesn't give you a direct option to delete your account. However, you can request them to delete your personal information and your account that they collect from you. So how you can do so? First, you want to head into your browser on any of your device and then search in Roblox support firm as I've done so on the screen. Then you can see Roblox support there. You want to tap on it the very first there, and it'll take you to the contact us page here. Now first make sure to log into your account. It'll ask you to log into your account. I'm already logged in. Then you want to enter in the username here, your first name, email address, confirm your email address, and then under issues details you want to select the option, the device that you use to play the game, and then select a category. Under select category you want to select the option billing and payments. And then under bidding in this subcategory you want to select the option I want to cancel my premium membership. And now on the description issue you want to state that you wish to delete your account and thank them for doing so, and they'll get back to you through the mail and your account will get deleted. So this way you can delete your Roblox account. You can't do it yourself, but you'll have to contact the customer support and this will work. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.